Hello everyone, welcome to Hurricane Web. In this video, we will see how to add or change app name using React Native. So here I just open a Hello World project in VS Code. If you are very beginner, you can watch my Create Hello World app video. I will add the video link in the description below. So for change the app name, we have to go to our project inside Android app, then source main, then res, then values folder inside, and we have to go to this file strings.xml. So let's go to project Android app source. So this is my project Android app source, then main, and then res, and we need to go to values folder inside strings.xml file. So here we can change the app name. For example, I am giving here a new app name like this, and Control S. I'm saving it. Then we need to run this command for rebuilding the JavaScript bundle. We're doing it manually so that our APK version get updated. So Control C. It will take a little bit time. I'll fast forward the video. Okay, our command is completed. Now we need to run npm run build. So run npm run build. Okay, if you guys get this kind of error, you guys can follow this. That is cd, will type cd android, and then we will click on slash here kw dot a, like this. We need to follow this. So I'm typing this cd android, then dot slash gradle in. Okay, now we'll run npm run build, sorry, npm run android. It will take a little bit time, so I will fast forward the video again. Okay, our command is successful and the app name is ready and the app is running in the emulator. Just wait a little bit. Okay, our app is running. So I will upload the documentation in the GitHub and add the link, GitHub link in the description below. You guys can follow it from there. I will show the app name in my Android device later. By the way, you guys also can uh, check your app name in your Android device by sending the APK file to your device by any way, like with WhatsApp or email. So I'm showing the file for the APK located. So go to your project inside, then Android app build output apk debug, and then this is the APK file. You can send it to your uh, Android device by anywhere, and then you can install it and you guys can check your app name. So if you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. And if you guys have any query, you can feel free to ask me in the comment box. I will try to reply as soon as possible. Thank you guys. So right now I am on my Android device, and you guys can see the app name. As I said, you guys can see the app name as Hurricane, and this is the interface of the app. So hope you guys like the video. If you guys like the video, please like, share and subscribe. Thank you everyone.